Come hear the latest thing wey dey happen now as we dey talk as Nigerians don cut chain go give their president wey be Bola Ahmed Tinubu as he go China go tell them that he is ready to take a hard decision concerning the fuel scarcity and other arising that is all the whole thing now wey dey go up for Nigeria, hunger and inflation, many things dey happen. The president say the only solution to it na hard decision na one dey take for it o. Na Nigerians come cut chain come give am some dey call am say make him resign o, and some dey tell am say if you no wan resign make him divide the country, make everybody go back to their region go know wetin they wan use their life do. Say as e stand there is nothing is going to change to 2027 because all they are doing now is to campaign for their 2027 so that they will be re-elected again as a president of Federal Republic of Nigeria. My people, e don red o. I'm going to bring some videos make you hear wetin people talk with their own ear. Omo, this one entire me o. However, don't forget to see the for Blabbergist. See they watch the video. May you make sure say they share the video. Let me bring the video up for you. You hear wetin Tinubu talk from China. They tell them say may they calm down. Say may they take a strong decision as the president wey be wey want they take from now. Just watch the video before we come back and continue.
The country is going through a very strong phase of reform. And this reform is taking a very bold and hard decision. For example, you might be hearing from home now in the last few days about fuel prices. But can we help it? Can we develop? You use their good roads there. You see electricity being constant. You see water supply being constant and running. And you see their good schools. And we say we want to hand over a banner without staying to our children. What is the critical path to get us there? If we cannot take hard, painful decisions to pave the way for that country that is so blessed, so talented, so many of you talents here speaking Chinese and all, their language. It is what you equally contribute and tell them at home that we reflect in the attitude of our parents. The more we want everything free, the more it becomes expensive to develop. That's it. It's difficult. So good roads here. I want to emulate and reflect it back home. I want our children to be in good schools, not in tattered huts and dilapidated classrooms. You make teaching interesting and make business flourish. One economic action leads to another. It is in your hand to build our nation. My own is to provide the leadership that is necessary, and I'm committed to that.
Anybody will say be higher than each other, make them catch them, kill them, make him die, make thunder, fire them. We don't tire. We don't tire. You know what thing that they do? Our money we Anybody want to say money, no, tell that person say, nah lie. Money, we get money plenty well. You would never tell you now. If they want to make this Nigeria, they're normal. May they put resource control. Understand me? One bag of rice, 15,000. Then one bag of beans, 10,000. Then when they put effort for the security inside market, any market where you go, anybody will say higher than that. When they get a killer, make him die. The fair price now, when they turn out to 200 naira. Any free station where you go, they say 201 naira. Burn that free station, kill the manager, kill everybody where they are, burn everything on fire. You know what I tell you? Then enter inside market, make all the whole price. Wait till monkey they sell, make him be selling with baboon they sell, make him be selling with fowl they sell. All the whole price become equal. Anybody will say be higher than each other. Make them catch up, kill him, make him die, make thunder, fire them. We don't tire. You know what I tell you? Yes.
Price regulatory bodies.
Yes.
They should be regulating price of
yes.
in the market.
Yes. May they put security for the inside market. They go, they buy. Nah, this one, how much did they sell one cup of rice? They sell one cup of rice and 15 naira or 30 naira. Anybody will sell higher than 30 naira. May them kill them there, kill them. Even if to chop the person meat, me I go follow chop. I go follow chop. We don't tire. This is how we say they do tamper just with the message. This thing not too much.
What message do you have for the president this morning? Is that all you have to tell him?
You see now, for Mr. President now, I know say Mr. President, this is why they talk here now. You know like him. Because for him now to become a president, the people now when the governor or people when they're in the president for, they suffer. Like this morning now, I use like a third call where they live. I don't get to 1 naira to enter this in. You see, and my house is there far. No work, nothing, money not there. People that die. He said, the president. Who the president for? He never my president. If he be my president, he gonna not say me I suffer. He never my president will be. President just like a father to someone. How can you pick him to ask you money for Indomie? You don't even provide money for Indomie for. Is it your father? Anybody with my president, when I beg him to do something for me, he go do it for me. When I beg him something, they agree to do something for me, not my president. So he be president of himself.
People are saying revolution is going to happen because the Emperor government, no demands of that protest was made. And you feel that October 1st, another protest will happen.
See, I tell you, anybody will come out for a protest, I they pity that person. Because already, you see Tinubu and them brothers, Kabas, then go to the person, swallow them, nothing will happen. Nothing will happen. The best thing now to just, this is the price I tell you, or make them share Nigeria, everybody going on, that's all. Everybody, if they want to share Nigeria to 20 pieces, make them share them because this country now is not good enough for one person to rule everywhere. Make them share it to make everybody going on, make everybody their own.
So this River State now will be the headquarter or what?
I know one headquarter. If
to divide this country, share them into three, make everybody go. Because to share this country or make that way happen for Nigeria, make it happen here. Now what I still keep on saying every time. Now we think will be the solution because all this campaign promise we then give us. Now see, we go still there like this. This dollar say feel 2,000, and we cannot do anything. We not go feel do anything.
So Tinubu is not competent.
Oh God, no fit handle this work. Tinubu cannot handle this work.
But they don't want to give you every moment the seat. The same as now they can have Biafra something. And we will leave it that one. We come for P2B issue. Then we vote for P2B. P2B win. They're not going to give them the thing where you win. That means Igbo people, we don't vote for Nigeria.
What will Nigeria? What will you tell the president this morning?
Like now, I tell Mr. President Tinubu, sir, are we follow for your people or we find another people? Why we go follow? Because if they do the thing under your own, we will not follow because we not say people will not follow. All what they do when our side rule give you the rule will give you our side will give you the. But for now, Igbo do the rule. If they hear what they tell you, when Peter B win, they're supposed to give Peter B that chance, make you rule. We'll see how the thing will be. But then deny our right. That means we will not follow.
So Nigeria should divide.
Nigeria divide. It's simple as ABCD. Right, simple as ABCD. Make them divide. I want to do on my own.
All right.
That's all.
Fela say
Carpenter well no know in work na so work be. Na Bako. This on our president. He never start nowhere when go start. Na so work be when be Bako.
I beg, tell them, let them know say we are tired.
We are tired.
We are tired.
Wait till time you na the Jagaba administration Tinubu.
Jagaba, Tinubu himself will be our own president. You don't want to present wetin reach us. Make we dey eat. Make we dey eat. Even to the eat. That's what we want.
Okay, may we dey eat. Make food
Make we
come.
just dey eat. Make we forget.
Not to slaughter them. We no play make them dey alive. Not to wipe all those all these illegal Ogboni people they work for all this Nigeria.
The president himself and the governors. May revolution happen, sir.
Nah, leave me. The thing they pay me, I don't know how good I go talk because they are disappointed us.
Okay, all
See
right.
small girls, small boys, they're supposed to do work. Some of them they do something they're not supposed to be. When they join some certain things they're not supposed to be. You know, the thing they pay me.
All right, get it.
As far as I'm concerned, I can only rate him 150 and above only in corruption. You understand me? They have not. They have not started. They are sinking us deeper and deeper. So I can't rate such an administration.
So if you get opportunity now, you go japa.
Of course. Why should I be here? If I have 1 million naira, I'm not even having up to 1,000 US dollars.
Yeah.
You know what that means? So if I have opportunity, I will leave so that I can be able to make money. If I can be able to make 30,000 US dollars and come to Nigeria, I become a big man. So why shouldn't I go to look for such money? Somebody who has just 30,000 US dollars, if you come to Nigeria, you have almost 50 million. What does it mean? That means that I should go there and get that money and come back. If I have opportunity, I will go. There is no doubt. I will just go there and make my money.
All right, sir. Thank you so much.
You are welcome.
What will Nigeria do?
It's already war. It's already gone. We separate Nigeria.
Only war.
War gone.
So you are saying Nigeria should separate?
Yes. Everybody will go. But I promise the Yorubas, what they saw is what they're going to leave because Hausa and Fulanis will kill them before Biafras come. Yes, let them put it on the wall.
Look out well.
So may we share.
Yes.
That's what you support.
Yes.
A lot of Nigerians are saying that things are so expensive and where we are heading to war. War will start in this country. How true is that for you?
They know more.
And they feel pain to be Nigerian man.
It's not easy.
You know, it's to be Nigeria, but I said they no do us well. I want if them go Germany because the Nigeria don't disappoint me.
Na Biafra. You follow for Biafra.
Ultimately, we do get now is Biafra where we need because already everywhere is a Biafra land now. Everybody believe Biafra now.
Everybody believes.
Yes.
You can't say everybody believe in Biafra.
See,
Nigeria.
now because what they see now, no Nigeria again because Nigeria is not corrupt. Everybody they die because of the Nigeria issue.
Yeah.
So what we need now Biafra.
So Biafra are the solution to the
Yes.
problem we get now.
Yes.
What do you think is the biggest challenge Nigeria is facing today?
Number one, hungry, plenty everywhere. Because as he did now, he don't eat.
I don't chop rice.
He don't chop rice. Rice is food.
Yeah, I don't eat rice this much.
He don't eat rice. No, I never eat. Because as I never eat now, wait again.
Maybe I think they follow the fasting. Follow for the fasting. Where did they go?
I don't do fast. I sit there on fasting. Yes. How you go day like this now? I say 1 bag of rice. All hand is equal.
No.
Beans now, how much now? How much you are buying beans now?
But we know that it's a Biafra land, which is even the governors know.
Igbocha. But normal Ikore man say this place no be. They belong to South.
Even that woman said that the normal Ikore man. What is his name? Ask him what is his name.
What will be your English name?
My English name is Malaki.
Malaki.
Yes.
So does it make you an Englishman because you bear? If I bear Igbo name now, like Rotimi Amici, you understand? Rotimi there. Does that make him an Igbo man or Yoruba man? So Ikore man bearing an Igbo name does not automatically make him an Igbo man.
And what you know that that Amici name? Do you know how many words there? There's 3 letter words there. It was Rotimi Amechi. Rotimi Amechi. Ebere. It's 3 words there. So that is called originally Igbo man.
But your name too, where you dey be English name now, does that make you an Englishman? They say they are from Edo State. They are not. They migrate from Edo, Iwunoha. That's where they are from. So it's because of intermarriage and the common boundary that you have with them. That's why they speak the same language.
Actually, they're from Edo. They're from Igbo.
All right. Thank you.
He go try in Port Harcourt.
Yes.
If he happens say, look at how informant if he happens say now Biafra come now, this everybody will have, even River State people, this people call people that call themselves people will have rest, will have a good job. Because okay, go to on there now, you cannot see Kurema working there. People always working in this year is Hausa, Yorubas. You cannot see Kurema working on there. Anywhere where things are good, you cannot see Kurema work.
So is this Sigwacha Biafra land?
It's Biafra land now.
But Ikorema.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. As you don't watch that video and hear everything, how anger these people are. The worst part is that the government don't even know that the people are hungry and also angry at the same time. But however, we say we'll bring a question. I beg, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and make sure you follow this page. And we're there for TikTok everywhere. Share the video so that other people will see they get the information.